So how do you ask your client for payment? Yeah, there's many techniques and ways and even platforms that actually help you do that. For me personally, what I do is I charge 50% upfront, and then you charge 50% of the rest of the remaining balance before you send the final deliverables. So you want to make sure that this is key. If it's a bigger project where the budget's a lot more bigger, what you can do, you can actually charge maybe 25% or 30%, and you do it in milestones. So there's other two ways you can do it. If it's a smaller project and maybe they got a smaller budget, make sure you always, charge a percentage up front, because you need to pretty much, it shows that the client's actually serious and then he's putting in the money. He's not just like talking, but you're actually gonna, have that income as well. So you can use it if you need to buy like fonts or images or any of that stuff. You have that money there sitting there to use for the project as well. So it's really important, because a lot of freelancers actually have an experience where the client doesn't pay at all. And according to letsdeel.com, they say, on average, a freelancer can lose up to $6,500 a year alone just by clients not paying. I'll tell you about Let's Deal. It's a pretty cool website. This video is not sponsored, but I do have an affiliate link in the description below, and I found it pretty cool and useful for especially if you're a beginner or if you're new to freelancing. It'll really help you out. So as I said, having the 50% upfront and stuff like that, or even the milestones, this site really helps you put it in milestones. And pretty much it's an escrow contractual agreement with the client, and you have your own sign up. And what happens is you put the price, you can put a description, and it holds the money. So when the client puts the money in, it holds the money for them, and you set your project in milestones. And every time you finish a milestone, the client logs into their side and literally just clicks a button. And when they approve that, if you're doing a logo, they approve the first round or the second round, and maybe you have a milestone payment there. They click approve, and pretty much the funds, because they're already sitting there in the account, it just sends straight to your account. So it's really going to help you get paid a lot more efficiently, and it's really easy to use. The UI is pretty cool, and I like how it's a new startup trying to help. Their goal is to help freelancers, and they really just focus on the money side of things to help you get paid. So it's a really useful site. If you're just starting out, check it out. They only take about 1% off your contract. So if you're doing a $1,000 project, they're only going to take $10. If it's a $100 project, they're going to take $1, which is like pretty much nothing. So you don't have to pay much. And it's really going to help you out. Make sure you're getting paid from clients. They can literally log into the page and just do it all online, and you can send them a link. It's like super easy. The only thing I don't like is that you can't download a PDF yet, but they're doing updates on it. But it seems like a really cool tool, really cool platform that you can use. So definitely check it out. The description is below. So yeah, let me guys know if this was a useful tutorial. Let me know if you want me to suggest other cool tools coming out for designers. That will be useful to you. Leave a comment below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more design content every week.